what's the difference between that and Etsy Kings? So Etsy Wizards is just basically a video course, very basic information, doesn't go super in depth. Etsy Wizards is what was £1, right? So it's basically the same as the free guides on this YouTube channel right here. Basically the same. Um, Etsy Kings is like a full community. You get access to private coaches. I do private live streams in there twice a week. You get a much more in-depth course, like much more in-depth, goes much more into opening more accounts, exactly how you open more accounts. Like it goes way more in depth, basically what it is. We also do in-person meetups. We've done some in like US, Mexico, all over Europe. We did one in Marbella a few weeks ago. We do regular ones in the UK every month. It's just a million more things, basically. Yeah, I mean, if you want to know more about Etsy Kings, I'll post a link as well to that, so you can check that out as well. But yeah, essentially, Etsy Wizards is just very, very basic, like really basic knowledge.